Pnawn da, heading into Conwy for a tour. Group of about 30 today. Mixture from America, Europe and from the UK, so that's going to be interesting. See you later. Nice to have a little break from that rain we've seen this morning. I do have my jacket hanging on my bag just in case. Oh, I think that's my coach arriving. Always pays to be ahead of schedule when your coach pulls up 20 minutes before the booking. No time to grab a coffee now though. They weren't my group after all, so I've been able to grab a quick coffee. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Diolch yn fawr. So at this point we're walking through town and yes, it started raining, but we need the rain to keep it beautiful. That was a pretty soggy tour of Conwy, but of course everybody enjoyed themselves. And they were prepared. It's not bad weather, it's just the wrong clothing, as we always say. So off I go, heading back up into the mountain. See you later. Home at last. Supper cooking, fire going. And Arwen ever hot doing her thing with a reflection of the fire in the stainless steel back. Love that. Just a bit of a glimpse into mountain life. Hello, Umfra. Whilst filming Umfra, watching the other cats steal the dog's food, just noticed this wonderful piece of metal that's above the fireplace. That's one that I found under several inches of soil when I was digging out the area for the forge, my workshop at the side of the cottage. It's made out of copper. Very ornate work, and I found 3 of them, so there must have been 4 altogether. Still not quite sure what they were, possibly a decoration on a piece of furniture, but something that I love very much, which connects me to the history of this bwthyn or cottage. So I'm going to say goodnight. My supper's nearly ready, so thank you for your company. Diolch yn fawr, nos da. And I really wish that you could smell this. Some pasta with a homemade cream sauce, added some Perl Las Welsh cheese and a drizzle of my homemade blackberry vinegar. I'm really hoping this is going to be delicious. So I'm going to say goodnight properly now. Nos da.